I don't have any teaching certification. I didn't take any professional degree before starting my teaching career. I simply did masters in education. It was a 2-year program, but no doubt it has all the components that are offered in the professional degree courses in terms of coursework and field experiences. After doing this masters, I just got job in a university and I started my teaching career.
I began my teaching as an untrained teacher after completion of my college education, and after 4.5 years, I did my bachelor's in education from College of Education. That was a traditional program, and after a couple of years, I did my master's in education from Aga Khan University. That was a progressive education based program.
I started my career as a primary school teacher after doing my bachelor's in science and without a training. After 2 years of job, I got admission in Namak Balapand University, which is a non-formal and distance education institution, and my B.Ed was for 1.5 years.
I joined the university after the completion of my own masters to teach at masters level, and as it is not required in Pakistan to get any teacher qualification education before joining a university or to teach in a university, so I straight away went to my class to teach.
Before starting my teaching, I did my B.Ed from a formal college of education, and after doing my B.Ed, I realized that I wanted to get more knowledge about child psychology and learning, so I did my master's in applied psychology, and after doing that, I started teaching at secondary school level.
After starting my teaching career, I realized that my program really helped me, particularly in developing my pedagogical skills regarding classroom management, how we can effectively communicate the lessons with to our children, how we can involve them, how we can effectively connect content with a method, and then how we can effectively involve the child. That I think the students' participation and their involvement is really the most important thing that we should consider while we are teaching. So my program really helped me in developing all these pedagogical skills, and then it provided me opportunity. What I learned, I could easily, or I can easily implement all those things even in my classroom.
Well, I think my bachelor's of education, the program was quite traditional lecture-based method and note dictating method. But I think the most important thing which I learned in that program was the change in my belief, that I began believing that when students don't learn, it is not students' fault, it is actually teachers' fault. And I learned the modern learning theories like constructivism, behaviorism, and cognitivism and other theories. But when I moved to the master's program, that was totally like Western programs, progressive, teaching methodologies, assignments, no end of the term examinations, and inquiry based, reflection based, and independent learning tasks. So that brought a huge change in my career.
My training was helpful in making me learn different concepts about children's learning and how they learn, but it also developed a lot of misconceptions which I think were not removed until and unless I started teaching at a very formal university. And there are still many misconceptions which I hope will be removed during my PhD here.
As I joined university as lecturer, and in Pakistan generally we apply lecture-based methodology, and I have a lot of observation of that methodology. So it generally I didn't face any problems while applying that thing, and I kept on my teaching with the same methodology at master's level.
I think my B.Ed program and my MSc in applied psychology both helped me in my teaching. And one thing that I want to mention here is that my mother was a teacher as well, so her passion towards her profession always inspired me, and I think that was another factor that was affecting my teaching. As far as B.Ed is concerned, it gave me the practical skills, how to manage a classroom, how to prepare tests, and how to do so many other things. While the MSc psychology helped me in learning about students' behavior, relating to them, understanding their difficulties, and all that.
As far as alternative routes are concerned, I think I encountered at least two alternative programs in my career. One in one alternative program, I worked as master trainer. That was a program to train the untrained teachers. There were about 30% teachers untrained in the province of Sindh. So Sindh government decided to train those teachers through a crash program. It was different from the regular programs. It finished in 4 months, but the teachers were certified by the certificating board. The other alternative program, in fact, was my own master's at the university, and that was different from the regular masters done in Pakistan in traditional universities. That were more like progressive based teaching. There were assignments, there were inquiry based tasks, there was independent learning tasks, literature reviews, and there was not end of term examination or assessment, and there was in fact research. So these were the two alternative programs which I encountered in my career.
During my academic and professional career, I have come across two kinds of alternative routes of teacher education, because when I was studying myself, I studied through formal teacher education program, and now I'm teaching in a non-formal institution, that is Allama Iqbal Open University. The major difference I think in both is that in the formal teacher education program, the B.Ed program that I attended, I had more chances to directly interact with my teachers, and this could help me in removing many of the misconceptions and ambiguities. But in the non-formal teacher education program that we are offering through distance education, students do not get a chance very well to interact with their teachers and tutors, and there are so many things that are left only on their experience and things like that. So this is the major difference that I feel in the two alternative routes.
As I told you earlier, I had a master's. It was a 2-year program, but the university where I was working there, a 4-year bachelor program in education is offered, and I was taking classes there. On the basis of my experience, I realized for the effective practices, conceptual understanding is very important that guide your practices. So here the students in 4-year program are getting better opportunity to understand many pedagogical concepts and theories. Secondly, my program was based just on the teacher education and the other courses, but in bachelor program that we are offering in university, in this program we are not only focusing on the teacher education courses, but we are also preparing subject specialists, as we are also giving them some opportunities to have the additional courses in different fields like sociology and teacher education, sociology and English literature. So they are having the both opportunities, not only teacher education but also a subject specialization.